The beach is still closed.
That's okay. We're gonna pull in anyway. So the beach is closed because earlier there was a shark out there in the waters, but is actually no longer a threat to us. He's on your right-hand side, so we're good. We're gonna pull in there right now. Now we do have some police divers out there making sure the waters are still clear. So just sit back, relax, and enjoy the beautiful summer breeze here at. That's a shark. Do we know George is still out there? No, George, buddy, there's a shark. No, George, no, Ooh, that's what happens when you're curious, George. All right, guys, it's all good. Remain calm, remain seated. Now, Leo and I are trained professionals with hours of experience. Now, as long as the shark doesn't do anything crazy like that, good luck. Just remain seated and remain calm. Everyone's always like, wow, that shark is so fake. Well, it still scared you guys. All right, give it up for our backlot shark. Give it up. He did such a great job. Yes, well, unfortunately, no. The same cannot be said for the mechanical shark that was used in the production. Now, it was brought out to the ocean, and the moment it hit the water, it actually sank down to the very bottom of the ocean. It caused so many issues. The production crew nicknamed the production from Jaws to Flaws. It even pushed back the production date 100 days. So originally, that shark's debut over the holiday season of 1974. And Jaws isn't quite a holiday film. So lucky for us, it was pushed back all the way to the summer of 1975, becoming our very first summer blockbuster. Now, in 1975 and years prior, we just didn't release summer films because traditionally they did not do very well. But not only we didn't release summer films, the industry didn't. So Jaws completely changed that so much for everybody. We are still releasing a ton of huge summer blockbusters. Now, we can give a huge thank you to our buddy Bruce out there. Now, the reason why his name is Bruce is he's named after Steven Spielberg's lawyer. Now, one last time, take a look on your left-hand side of our Amity Island. You might know it as Cabot Cove from Murder, She Wrote, as well as Season 3 of The Good Place when Chidi falls into the lake. That was just right out here. Now, to your left-hand side, on top of this hill right here to your left, that yellow house, that is Boo Radley's house in To Kill a Mockingbird. That entire street is Elm Street. It was used in Hancock starring Will Smith, as well as Welcome to Marwin starring Steve Carell, 911 the TV show, and AP Bio. Now, on your right-hand side, we are passing our Chicken Ranch. It's a two-story practical set, meaning you can film inside, outside, and all around. Now, it was used in Rob Zombie's House of a Thousand Corpses. It was also used in the Best of Whorehouse in Texas, starring Dolly Parton. Now, in that film, Dolly Parton sings I Will Always Love You, which you might know as being a Whitney Houston song, which it is, but Dolly Parton did originate that song in the film. Whitney Houston just did an amazing cover we all know and love. Now, on your left-hand side, we are passing our little suburban neighborhood. We call this Colonial Street. You might just know it as Wisteria Lane from ABC's Desperate Housewives. Now, I do want you guys to see what our Chicken Ranch looks like on the big screen and on the screen. Check it out. As we head up this road, go ahead and take a look on your right-hand side. If you look closely, you might be able to see nothing. Look to your left. You're going to see nothing. And that's the point, because we're here on Wilderness Road. We're literally in the middle of nowhere, where actually we're still on our lot. Now, this was recently used as the middle of nowhere for Netflix's Bird Box, starring Sandra Bullock and Sarah Paulson. It was also used in 911, the TV show, and of course, ABC's Desperate Housewives. Now, we can place an actor into those bushes, and instantly they are gone, lost, and scared, but they're really not. Now, this is a little bit of the easier stuff that we can do because it is already here for us. Now, we can accommodate any director or screenwriter's imagination, just like we did in the year 2000 for Dr. Seuss's How the Grinch Stole Christmas. So right now, we are passing a little bit of a Whoville in just a few moments, but you can check them out first on your screens. You'll see Martha May Whovier shooting some lights onto a house. Well, that house that is on your screens is actually coming up on your right-hand side. Now, it is going to be on the left-hand side of the Christmas tree, and with the candy cane right next to you, you can get a great shot of it right there up on your screens. Now, this is truly one of the largest productions to ever film on our lot, using 11 of our 28 sound stages, which is a lot, a big deal. Now, one soundstage was